Hey, what's up, guys? My name's John Erickson, and I'm reading for the role of Ezra. Thanks so much. Seeing how this is my third tape, and you haven't given an answer, I'm going to have to start taking drastic measures. When you don't feed a Venus flytrap, see, it wilts. No matter if you water it, it doesn't have that blood, that fly blood. What is it? Not a Venus flytrap. I think you get what I'm getting at. You know, most people would think your friend was past the point of pain. But through my years of study and practice and patience. Can you not? I'm doing something.
Oh, I'm not even here. You do your thing and just ignore me.
I've unearthed methods of making spirits scream in agony. I've discovered how to transcend the realms, to create unimaginable suffering. I'm trying to make a hostage video. Leave me alone.
I literally can't. And excuse me for caring. Dinner will be ready in 5 minutes. It's tuna casserole. You gotta let this go.
Mel, listen to me.
You're totally right. They have the same eyes. Chris said that they have the same eyes. Oh yeah, I see that. Keely said that she sees that. I can hear her. Oh right. Chris can hear you. I'm delighted to hear that. She's duped.
So then, why were the bodies burned beyond recognition?
Stop.
But somehow you walked away unscathed.
Ezra! Oh yeah, Ezra does that annoying voice when he's upset too.
No, I don't.
Not helping. Told ya.
It doesn't make any sense. And
What doesn't make any sense is how someone could abandon their 8-year-old sister.
I didn't abandon.
I needed you. They were dead, and I needed you.
I was suffering too. I was 12. I didn't know how to help.
Well then, where have you been since then?
That's not fair. You hated me.
I hate you. I hate you for shutting me out. I hate you for leaving as soon as you could. I hate you for stealing my friend and dragging me here. I hate you for putting their false silver hope in my mind after it took me years to accept their debts.
I didn't, Mel.
You.
I'm hurting
hate
too.
you.
Stop.
I hate